Yo, what's going on YouTube? It's Jayyduty here. Let me tell y'all how watching PRN 24/7 on a daily basis destroyed my brain, okay? Now, it first started in 2020. I got introduced by PRN because I thought it was cool, right? Everybody did, okay? We all got introduced by porn at a young age. It's really like unhealthy, right? Because porn doesn't do anything for you, fellas. It's like a lose-lose situation. It's like when you open a website, you just ready to lose. You just ready to lose everything for some temporary pleasure. But it's destroying your future. It's destroying your brain. It's destroying your productivity, right? This is why I had to literally heal myself from that website. Because, fellas, I wasn't getting anything done. I was depressed, actually, right? It started in 2020, right? Bro, I was doing it like 30 times a day. It was really unhealthy, right? It was like a mental thing now. Like, yeah, when I first got introduced to it, I'm like, well, I don't even need no female. I can ejaculate by myself. But then when I'm addicted to it, knowing I can have fun with every other female, I don't have to be addicted to this. I don't have to be addicted to this website. So now this website is showing me that I can't get laid. Now this website is showing me that I'm so ugly. I'm so of a low confident dude that I would rather get on my phone and watch other people have sex than to just go out there, put myself out there, actually socialize with women and get that same satisfaction, but better. Because now you put in the work yourself. Now you're not watching two people have sex. Now you're having sex. So you want to be that fun. You don't want to just watch other people create that fun. Fellas, that's gay. Well, Jayyduty, I watched two women. It's still gay. Because you can be that dude with two women. Literally. You can be that dude who's having fun. And don't act like you just be watching two women. No, dude, you watch a boy and a girl, don't you? Yes, you a little boy. You're gay, okay? Understand it just like that, okay? Now, fellas, when I was addicted to this website, I remember that I shut it down in my closet. Like I was crying. And I was really asking for help from God, right? Because this is a mental thing, right? This is literally how I overcame my addiction, right? I was crying. I was crying for like a whole 20 minutes, just crying. Because I kept going to the bathroom playing with myself. I just didn't know how to control myself. I didn't have any guidance. I didn't have any structure. I didn't have any discipline. I didn't have no knowledge about overcoming my pornography addiction, right? So, I'm just crying and I'm like asking God for help. And, in that moment, I'm like, what am I supposed to do, right? Fellas, I literally just sat down, start meditating. Literally, I just start breathing. This is the day I finally stopped, right? But listen, it took me years to get to this point. Like 2020, I stopped in 2023. That's when I made a TikTok. That's when I started blowing up off TikTok, helping y'all how to stop. Because I found purpose in myself. I found enjoyment doing what I love to do, right? So 2020, I'm just all in on this thing. I'm just letting myself go. I'm just literally losing myself. I'm jumping into depression. I'm jumping into a bunch of addictions that doesn't really matter. And I never got to a point where I'm spending money on females, but now I'm just all about lusting over females, and it wasn't good for my mental health, right? So, I'm just questioning my reality. 2023, that's when I finally start practicing no fat. That's when I finally start practicing semen retention, right? I meditated for like a whole day. Like literally, I swear to God, on everything I love, I'm just breathing. Just breathing. I'm still having them urges, but I'm just breathing to get rid of them urges, right? Because you don't want to act like a robot and just feed into it. You want to question it. You want to see if you can get a deeper insight of why you addicted to this. Why do you just feed your brain to pornography? That's a real thing, bro. That's a real mental problem. It's an issue, right? You may think it's not an issue because you don't see the effects, but later you will see the effects. When you try to sleep with a woman, you try to initiate intercourse with a female, you're going to really realize that, yo, I can't really get it hard. That's because you are dealing with erectile dysfunction. Now, if you don't know what erectile dysfunction is, it's basically when your penis stop working. Literally, that's all it is. It's a disease, right? Fellas, I was breathing for 30 days straight, just focusing on my breath, focusing on connecting with my brain, because it's your brain that's addicted, okay? And then, my nigga, I got an addiction of meditation, right? Now, the reason why you addicted to pornography is because you don't know any other addictions that will fulfill you, right? You don't really do anything productive, right? You just sit around and just think about women. And then you see women on your For You page, you follow women on social media, just unfollow all them baddies so you won't see it again. Take a break from social media if you have to. That's one thing I did too. After I got done breathing, meditating, stuff like that, I didn't even find enjoyment being on social media because I knew what it was gonna lead me to. Just masturbating. I didn't like masturbating. I was just doing it because I was addicted and I was afraid to quit because I didn't know what was gonna happen. Like I felt like I needed this thing, but you don't need it. You don't need it. It's just pleasure. It's just pleasure. It's just pleasure. It doesn't do anything for you. It makes you a loser. It makes you non-productive. It's just pleasure. Once you realize it just like that, you will just naturally overcome it. You will actually do something else that will fulfill your day-to-day life. But it's just pleasure. It's just in your head. Look at it like it's just in your head. It's not real. It's just in your head. It's not real. It's just in your head. It's not real. Repeat that to yourself. It's just in your head. It's not real. And just sit with the feeling. Instead of just acting on the feeling, just sit with it. See what it's trying to show you, because it's trying to show you something about yourself, right? Just see what it's trying to show you. Just sit with it. Don't get mad at it. Don't just be like, oh, I'm about to just do it just so I can get it over with. Nah, hell no. That's definitely being a loser. Just sit with it. See how you can learn from it. Sit with it. And then I want you to talk yourself out of it. Tell yourself, bro, it's not even worth it. It's not even worth it. And then after that, these are 3 steps. Breathe, talk to yourself, push-ups. Breathe, talk to yourself, push-ups. Fellas, you have to get an addiction of bettering your life. Everything is an addiction. Working out is addiction. Eating healthy is addiction. Chasing your dreams and goals is addiction. Everything is an addiction. But what do you want to be addicted to? Just do push-ups. Literally, just do push-ups, bro. Like, whenever you get that hard feeling, nigga, just drop down and do some push-ups, dog. Like, it will help you to overcome that feeling of just always being horny. And you're going to be horny, bro. That's natural, fellas. You're going to be horny on a day-to-day basis. But it's just how you react to that feeling. And we not doing this not only so we can stop, so we can actually get laid, so we can actually find our purpose, so we can actually become more ambitious. Like, yeah, we want to stop, but what is the reason for you stopping? Like, why do you want to stop? Question that every time you get that urge to just log on to the website. Question that. Why do I want to stop? Why? Why do I want to stop? My why, because I want to become more ambitious. Because I actually want to better my future. Because I actually want to be the best version of myself. Because I actually want to build muscle. It can be any reason. Because I actually want to clear acne. Fellas, ever since I've been on the no-fap, look at my face now. Look at my face now. You become more handsome when you go on the no-fap, right? So remember those. Write it down or put it in your notes, screenshot it, put it on your screensaver, and remember why you want to stop. And the more you remember, the more you're going to overcome that urge, because you got to feed your brain with information that it needs, okay? You got to talk yourself out of it. Like literally talk yourself out of it. Go to the mirror, talk yourself out of it. I'm not finna do that. That's not healthy. I'm finna keep focusing on myself. I'm about to just keep loving myself. Matter of fact, go do some push-ups. Matter of fact, I'm about to just walk around my park. Matter of fact, I'm not about to masturbate, watch PRN. Boy, that's some lame, childish ass nigga shit. Let me just do some jumping jacks. Let me just go to the gym. Let me just go walk to the store, give me some chips and juice, and just conversate with myself. Like, just let me do something productive. You get what I'm saying? Like, I ain't gonna lie to you, my nigga. If I had that urge right now and I wanted to do it right now, I'd get down and do like 50 to 100 push-ups just to overcome that urge. It's the things you do that will help you to overcome your urge. That's productive. You have to be productive. The more productive you get, the more you will overcome your pornography addiction, because productivity is better than pleasure. You have to be more productive. You have to just see yourself just doing things that will get you to the next level to overcome the things that's holding you back. Remember, just like that. Fellas, if you got a pornography addiction, it's in your head. It's in your head. It's not real. It's in your head. Another thing too, block your websites. But let me tell you something. Block your website and go to your settings. Try to put a code on your website, the particular website that you like to log on to. Try to put a code on it and block it. So every time you will try to go into that website, it asks for a code. But let me tell you something. You don't do the code. You tell your little brother to do the code, or you tell your friends and family to do the code. But they don't know why you putting a code on it. They don't know anything. They like, bro, why you doing this? Like, just tell them, hey, bro, set a code and don't even let me know the code. Like, don't even tell me. Just set a code and just don't even tell me. I used to do that with my little brother all the time. I used to be like, hey, bro, Set a code. Don't even tell me, bro. Just set a code. Just make up a code in your head and don't let me know, right? And that shit actually helped me to overcome my addiction, right? Because every time you try to log on to it, the website will be blocked. Now you ain't got nowhere to go. Now it's forcing you to just do something productive. Now it's forcing you just to remember your why. Always remember your why. Don't stop out of urgency. Stop out of love. Remember your why. Understand that, my why is better than my urge. Understand like, my why is better than my urge. The more you remember your why, the more you start to increase your productivity and you start to find purpose in yourself. Anyways, man, I love y'all. I'm out. Peace.